Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to cancel or discard your Instagram post. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe, and follow for more future updates. And without further ado, let's start. First, click your Instagram app. Then click this plus sign button at the lower part of your screen. And here you can select any pictures or videos that you want to post in Instagram. And if you're done choosing your desired videos or pictures, you have to click this arrow button, then click next, and now you have to click share. Now to cancel this post, you have to close your Wi-Fi or data. Then you have to go back to your home screen, clear out the Instagram app, then open again your Instagram application. Here you can still see your pending post. However, it will not be posted because we already turned off the data and Wi-Fi. We will just wait for the three dots to appear. It will take time. After waiting, here we can see already the three dots. Now you have to click that dots, and here you can have this option. All you need to do is to click the discard post. Click discard, and the video or pictures that you want to post in Instagram is already been canceled or discarded. And that's it, guys. That's how you cancel or discard your Instagram post. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please follow for more.